All right, so we saw how we can create a new Python file. We can have it, being edited over here, taken it back to the repository. Let's say you are, happy with this file now, xyz.py. Maybe it's a submission for some project in the WiByte curriculum. Now, you are in the code space when you create the file. Remember, we go to source control and make sure it's back to the repository. When I get back to the repository over here, I see that this file has been added maybe some time back. I'm ready now to submit it. I can, in fact, do it quite easily. Like we saw earlier, we can see the code over here by clicking on that xyz.py. So all I did was to let me just show you once again. Let's say this is the file I want to submit. So I just go on this file and click on it. We saw this that we can look at the code. In fact, here we can also download the code, by the way, in case you are interested. But for the sake of submission, in fact, this is where we need to come. All we will do is to take this URL over here. This is the address for this particular file on your repository. So remember, look at the hierarchy very clearly. You have an account within which you have created a public repository. Using that, you open code space. In the code space, you created your code. You push the code back into your repository, which is now here xyz.py. Now I'm on the link which points to this specific file, right? So I want to take up this link. And beyond this, if I copy this, for example, beyond this, the submission is something that we are quite used to. So as always, come to WiByte.in. In fact, the architecture of this remains exactly the same throughout our program, whether it's Scratch or Python. So in this case, I'm going to demonstrate on Python level 1. But the idea is same, Python level 2, level 3 is the same idea. So there's a button here called submit projects. I go in here, select my batch. So I'm just, for the sake of demonstration, I'm doing it here right now. So my name is, already added here. Let's say I'm submitting for the first activity. So as this thing says here, well, go to your GitHub URL, which is basically, this particular project. So go and click on the project. That's very important, not the repository alone, but let's say this particular project. It should be something like xyz.py or maybe project1.py, whatever you named it, it'll be that py file, right? Pick that up, copy it, and like always, just paste it over here and submit it. And in fact, you're done. Your submission has been received. And subsequently, we will go and look at it, share feedback, and so on. So really, we have kept it very similar to what happens, let's say, in general in the WiByte program. And I'm quite confident that everybody will take to this quite easily. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.